Hi there, welcome to beautiful Brașov, Romania, one of the most charming and picturesque cities in all of Eastern Europe. Nestled in the heart of Transylvania and surrounded by the towering Carpathian Mountains, Brașov feels like a place straight out of a fairy tale. We visited our friend Crina who lives in Brașov. In the few hours we had there, we explored the stunning viewpoint of Belvedere, the historic Black Church, Council Square, traditional Romanian cuisine at Stâna Turistică, and discovered why this city has become one of Romania's most visited destinations. Whether you're planning a trip or simply traveling with us from home, come along as we uncover the magic of Brașov. Our first stop is Belvedere, Brașov, arguably the best place to admire the entire city from above. From here you'll see the red rooftops of Old Town, medieval church towers, and the surrounding Carpathian Mountains stretching into the distance. The viewpoint sits about 2,300 feet or 700 meters above sea level and offers one of the most iconic postcard views in Romania. If you're visiting in the morning, you'll often see a layer of mist floating over the city, creating an almost magical atmosphere. Sunset is equally spectacular as golden light illuminates Brașov's colorful rooftops. This is definitely one of those places where you'll want to stop, slow down, and simply enjoy the view. Walking through Old Town Brașov feels like stepping back into medieval Europe. The narrow cobblestone streets are lined with colorful Baroque buildings, outdoor cafes, boutique shops, and centuries-old architecture. Much of what you see today has been beautifully preserved for hundreds of years. Brașov's Old Town was once protected by massive defensive walls and watchtowers built by Saxon settlers. Parts of those fortifications still remain today. Every corner reveals something unique, making this one of Romania's most walkable and photogenic cities. Strada După Ziduri, which translates to street behind the walls, is one of Brașov's most charming and peaceful streets, running alongside the remnants of the city's medieval fortifications. Surrounded by towering stone walls, mature trees, and historic watchtowers, it offers a quiet escape from the busy old town and provides a glimpse into Brașov's centuries-old defensive past. Standing before us is Brașov's most famous landmark, the Black Church. Built between the late 1300s and mid-1400s, it's the largest Gothic church in Romania and one of the largest in Eastern Europe. Its name comes from a devastating fire in 1689 that blackened many of its exterior walls. Inside, you'll find impressive vaulted ceilings, one of Europe's largest pipe organs, and a remarkable collection of Turkish carpets that reflects Brașov's historic trade routes. The church remains an active Lutheran place of worship and a symbol of Brașov's multicultural heritage. Brașov is Romania's seventh largest city with a population of about 240,000 people and over 380,000 residents in its surrounding metropolitan area. It sits almost exactly in the center of Romania, about 100 miles or 160 kilometers north of Bucharest. Brașov was founded in the 13th century by Saxon settlers, invited by Hungarian kings to fortify the region. For centuries, it became an important trading hub connecting Western Europe with the Ottoman Empire. Prior to World War I, Brașov was part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire and was known by its German name, Kronstadt. The city had a diverse population of Romanians, Germans, Hungarians, and Jews, creating a unique cultural blend that still influences the city today. Following World War I and the 1920 Treaty of Trianon, Transylvania officially became part of Romania. Brașov transitioned from Austro-Hungarian rule into Romanian administration, becoming an important industrial and educational center. Following World War II, Romania fell under Soviet influence and eventually became a communist state. Brașov underwent rapid industrialization with factories producing tractors, trucks, machinery, and aircraft components. Large apartment complexes were built to accommodate workers moving into the city. Everything changed in 1989 when Romania's communist government collapsed. Brașov became one of Romania's major tourist destinations, restoring its historic center and shifting toward tourism, technology, manufacturing, education, and services. Welcome to Council Square, or Piața Sfatului, the beating heart of Brașov. For over 600 years, this square has been the city's gathering place. Markets, festivals, concerts, and public celebrations continue to take place here today. At its center stands Council House, originally built in the 1400s and now home to Brașov's History Museum. The clock tower has become one of the city's most recognizable landmarks. Surrounding the square are beautifully restored buildings painted in pastel colors, creating one of the most picturesque scenes in all of Romania. This is the perfect place to grab a coffee, relax, and simply watch everyday life unfold. The Telecabina Tâmpa is a scenic cable car that quickly carries visitors from the edge of Brașov's Old Town to the top of Tâmpa Mountain in just a few minutes. Once at the summit, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of Brașov's red rooftops, the surrounding Carpathian Mountains, and the city's iconic Brașov Sign, making it one of the best photo opportunities in the region. High above the city sits Brașov's famous sign, often compared to the Hollywood sign in Los Angeles. Perched on Tâmpa Mountain, the massive white letters have become an iconic symbol of the city. You can hike up the mountain, take the Telecabina Tâmpa, or simply admire it from below. The sign serves as a reminder that Brașov perfectly blends urban life with incredible natural beauty. Having a mountain literally rising beside the city center is one of the things that makes Brașov truly unique. No visit to Brașov would be complete without experiencing authentic Romanian cuisine at Stâna Turistică Sergiana in Poiana, Brașov. This traditional restaurant recreates the atmosphere of a Romanian mountain sheepfold. Here you'll discover rustic wooden interiors, folk music, and hearty dishes that showcase Romania's culinary traditions. Popular dishes include grilled meats, polenta, smoked cheeses, cabbage rolls known as sarmale, and homemade desserts. Dining here isn't just about the food, it's a cultural experience that transports you into Romania's rural heritage. If you want to experience authentic Transylvanian hospitality, this is a wonderful place to do it. Brașov has become one of Romania's top tourist destinations, attracting well over 1 million visitors each year from around the world. Its combination of medieval history, mountain scenery, incredible food, and easy access from Bucharest make it a must-see destination for travelers visiting Romania. The best times to visit are from May through June and September through October, when temperatures are comfortable and crowds are smaller. Summer offers lively festivals and long daylight hours, while winter transforms Brașov into a snowy wonderland and a gateway to nearby ski resorts. Whether you're interested in history, photography, architecture, hiking, or simply slowing down and enjoying a beautiful European city, Brașov offers something for everyone. Thank you for traveling with us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment below telling us what part of Brașov you'd most like to visit. Until next time, happy travels from Brașov, Romania.